Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Over 15 years after it was first awarded, the Ughelli-Asaba highway is finally receiving the attention it deserves. The 162-kilometer highway was awarded for construction by the government of Governor Emmanuel Udwara. It was given little attention by the Governor AKUGHA administration, and finally, it is now being reconstructed by the administration of Governor Sheriff Oborevwori. The Isoko axis, which was the worst part of the road, is already wearing a new look, courtesy of Governor Oborevwori's commitment to the construction of the all-important road, which is the single road for the Jaws, the Shekiris, Urobos, and Isokos to get to the state capital, Asaba. I am standing in the Isoko end of the Ughelli-Asaba highway. It's a critical and very, very important road. However, as you can see behind me, that the road, obviously, one side of it is still under construction, not to talk of the other side. I can hazard a guess that it's going to be practically impossible for Governor AKUGHA to complete this road before he leaves office.
That was in 2022 when we focused on the very bad situation of the Isoko axis of the Ughelli-Asaba road. However, from the minute he took over the reins of government in Delta State, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori commenced the reconstruction of the Ughelli-Asaba road. It was his very first official visit to any project in the state when he directed its speedy completion.
This road is very key to all of us in Delta State, not only to the Isoko people, but to Deltans. This is the only road we can use to access the capital. So it's very key to us, and we want it to be completed as soon as possible.
To ensure compliance with his directives, Governor Oborevwori ensured regular monthly payment for the contractor handling the project.
Every time I pass through the only roundabout, then the ideas, I put spikes, I always come on because I know some few months ago it wasn't like that. But now it has changed. I'm getting message. And the contractor is on ISPO, so we can't delay his payment.
During their recent visit to congratulate Governor Oborevwori over his scored victories in the cases arising from the gubernatorial election, leaders of Isoko Nation led by the President General of Isoko Development Union, Professor Chris Akpotu, confirmed the spate of work on the Isoko axis of the highway and thanked the governor for keeping to his promise.
You gave us one promise, and as a man of integrity, you've been able to live up to that promise. And what is it? The Ughelli-Isoko-Asaba road, the level of work that is ongoing there, I tell you that the Isoko people are very, very happy.
Several Isoko indigents and users of the road commend Governor Oborevwori for attending to the long-neglected road.
We are rejoicing about the road now because we really suffered about the road for a very long time.
So governor go come, that go do a halfway, that go come out. And as they do ourselves, go they spoil. But this our governor, Sheriff, is trying his best. We see a hand, the way he take the handle things in this state, things has changed, especially this road matter.
Also receiving attention is the Oborevwori road. This road, which was a major issue of confrontation between Oborevwori youth and immediate past government in the state, is finally receiving the attention it deserves. Professor Akpotu, who described Governor Oborevwori as a worthy in-law, says he is not surprised at the attention the governor is giving to the Isoko Nation, while requesting for more projects like the construction of the Igbide-Olomoro Road. Professor Akpotu further drew the attention of the governor to recent information about the relocation of Faculty of Management Sciences of the Delta State University of Science and Technology from Ozoro to Orerokpe.
As that wonderful inbox that you have always been to us, we must bring matters like this to your table. We hear Faculty of Management Sciences is about to be moved out of that place.
In his response, Governor Oborevwori says as his in-laws, he cannot take any decision that will be detrimental to the Isoko Nation. The governor informed the Isoko leaders that the state government has secured the approval of the National University Commission (NUC) for the operation of 3 more faculties at the university. The faculties are Basic Medical Sciences, Pharmacy and Health Sciences. Former chairman of the Social Democratic Party (SDP) in Delta State and an Isoko indigene, Dr. Ughelli-Asaba, says the relocation of the faculty should not be viewed as a minus by his kinsmen.
Some time ago, Africa gave Isoko Nation 2 faculties, engineering and law. What you're seeing is even distribution of infrastructural development in the state. The governor has also given the university in Ozoro 12 additional courses. He's only taking that as the more agenda mantra to also develop particular local government that is not having a state presence to get the university there.
Inside the Niger Delta,